I am Veena Mahatesh, Shakti Abhiyan State Coordinator of Karnataka. Yesterday we done one Shakti Abhiyan Bunyadi camp in Hospete, Vijayanagara district. We expected less women, but yesterday it's more than 175 women are presented in a Bunyadi camp. I didn't expect that much of women are participating in that program, but they all very active, and for them it is a new concept. So we explained, myself and Lokesh ji and Nityananda explained what is the Shakti Abhiyan, how it will help for the women in a political leadership thing. It is happened in a Hospete. There is a 35 wards. In that, each ward, 5 people came there. So around we are able to make a clubs there also, and we inform them how it is help for them. Further also they are ready to work with our club. It's a nice experience. Through this media, I want to thank everybody with our Shakti Abhiyan team and
ಏಳು 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 ನಿನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಸೋಲು ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಯೋಕೆ ಬಂದ ನಿಗಾ